Where are you going? Where are you going? What is your name? What is your name? How old are you? How old are you? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Please help me. Please help me. You are very kind. You are very kind. This is my house. This is my house. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. It is very hot. It is very hot. Are you okay? Are you okay? Where is your bag? Where is your bag? What time is it? What time is it? I can see you. I can see you. Please stand up. Please stand up. You look happy. You look happy. This is my book. This is my book. I'm feeling tired. I'm feeling tired. Let's play outside. Let's play outside. It is very windy. It is very windy. Can you help me? Can you help me? What do you want? What do you want? Where is your mom? Where is your mom? I can hear music. I can hear music. Please open this. Please open this. You look angry. You look angry. This is my friend. This is my friend. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. Let's start now. Let's start now. It is getting dark. It is getting dark. Where is the key? Where is the key? What did you say? What did you say? Can you see that? Can you see that? Please close this. Please close this. You are my friend. You are my friend. This is too small. This is too small. I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy. Let's watch TV. Let's watch TV. It is very cold. It is very cold. Are you coming? Are you coming? Where is your phone? Where is your phone? What is that? What is that? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Please come here. Please come here. You look nice. You look nice. This is my pen. This is my pen. I'm feeling fine. I'm feeling fine. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. It is showing now. It is showing now. Where is your school? Where is your school? What's your plan?